G'day. This is the Honda VTX1800. Now, I had a bit of a problem with it recently. One of the ignition coils broke down and it was only running on one cylinder. So as a result of that, I was getting raw fuel going into the exhaust pipe and it was exploding in the exhaust pipe, and as a result the things were glowing red hot. You can see down here all the blue on the chrome from the excessive heat that it had. So I thought I'd take the opportunity of getting some Vance and Hines big shot pipes fitted. So what I'm about to do is take the bike around to the bike shop now, bring it back in a day or two when they fitted the new pipes. This is what it sounds like now. We'll compare it when I get back. The standard VTX pipes are fairly quiet. Sounds a bit like a Volkswagen. That's quite a difference.